Welcome back to Southeast Fishing. This episode's going to be all about Cornwall. I'm going to start off by showing you some of the stuff that I bought from Prime Angling, which is in Worthing. So shout out to Matt. If any of you are in Worthing or down the south coast, if you want any fishing stuff, head to Prime Angling. So this is some of the stuff I got. As you can see, there's quite a lot. Now I'm going down to Cornwall for 3 nights, so I'm going to need a lot of stuff. 60 gram vertical jig, 80 gram jig, 100 gram jig, and 120. So I don't normally use vertical jigs, I normally use soft plastics, but I wanted to try out these. I got myself some spare braid. These are 60 grams. So we're going to be fishing in water from about 50 feet up to about 180 feet. Now this depth of water, you do need the heavier lures, and especially down in Cornwall where the tide rips through. So I got 2 of these. As you can see, these are the weedless ones as well. I got this little Axiom Mighty Minnow for the shallower stuff. I got some 56 grams. This is probably my favourite lure, to be honest, this one here. I also got these nice black minnows, by far my favourite colour, khaki one. So yeah, this is the 160s, number 5. So this is a big lure, you can see, it's massive. Now these are cheap, I can't remember how much they are, but 18 gram jig heads. I've got 2 boxes. I've got tons of these bodies, loads of them. So I wanted to get some heads because, yeah, I've got so many. The next part of this video, hopefully, I'll be on the boat and hopefully get to show you a few fish. Look at that.
Little ballon. There's some little leeches on it, look. I don't know if you can see that moving.
Oh yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, lovely.
Straight under.
Right, what we're doing is we're catching some live baits because we're going to go anchor up near this little shallow reef. We saw the gulls diving, there was loads of them. Sam spotted them and then we thought, yeah, we'd go see what they're diving at, and found them, look. Tiny.
One more coming up.
Keep them alive even longer is you want an aerator. There we go. Birds all around. Oh my god, can I put that on? So what I'm doing is I've got this nice live launch that I caught. Ah! He's going nuts. But look at him. Caught him one little sabiki. Yeah, he's nice, isn't he? Under a float, it's a 4.0. Big mouth extra, let's put him down. Oh! Come on, Sam. Show him who's boss. Show him who's possible. Yeah, little pig. Pig.
Here, little pea.
Yeah, there we go.
It's got more little leeches on it.
Oh yeah.
You see them just moving around.
You want to say cheese, mate? They've got mad little teeth, haven't they?
Nice little balance, second one of the day.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Chuck them back.
You found somebody to hold on to, but they will never love you like I want to. Used to whisper your mind after I'd start a fight, just to make sure you'd know I'm right. We're not one of a kind, but I just thought we might make it another night.
So just doing a little bit of live bait fishing, trying to get some norms. at that. Well done, Sam. So that is what's going down on a running ledger, 6-ounce lead, dropping it down, a few ones off the bottom. Sam's in. Go on, Sam. So hopefully, by using this live launch, we get the bigger fish. That is a run. Yeah. Yes! First fish on the live bait.
Yeah. Come on. Good colour.
Yeah, ready?
Straight in the net.
Yeah, straight in the net.
Do a double banger. You can get a picture of both.
Oh my god, look at that.
Nice.
Stick that at the front. Look at that. I want to weigh that. It's chunky.
Yeah.
Look at that. There we go. Just smash that live bait. That is unreal. We've got another one. 2. That is mental. So first one in. That's the difference between them and plastic. Oh my god!
Cuckoo. That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's well nice.
Cuckoo there. We were talking about that yesterday.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Bit of teeth, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that. That looks like some fish of something else, mate. That. Yeah, that's a really nice fish, that. Let's get it unhooked and get it back in.
Oh. They're right on the bottom.
Yeah. Go on, Sam.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're both in. Oh.
Look at that reel.
Yeah, you're right.
You didn't want to come up? He
Go
was
on.
screaming.
That's a nicer one, that. That's a nice one. That's the one we wanted for dinner, bro. Yeah. Whoa. That's a better one.
There we go.
Look at that, Sam. Nice.
Nice. Beautiful.
This is going to be quite a big one, Sam, I reckon. Can you get that net ready, just in case? Oh no, it's alright, it's alright. He's not coming.
Yeah, I don't like it, do they?
This is a big one. Oh, but I reckon this one's quite big. Yeah, here we go, Sam.
Better than that.
Grab that net. Grab that net. Hey! That's probably my PB pollock.
Oh, your
Because we don't really get them down our way.
No, I guess you need like really big reefs, really.
Yeah.
Nice one, bro.
Oh, this is feeling different. Oh, this slammer's drag so strong as well. Like when it takes drag, you know it's decent because it's so strong. Like, oh. Whoa. Wow, that shows you. There you go, Axia Mighty Minnow. Lovely pollock there. Again, just underhook him. So basically we're just vertical jigging these off the bottom. Yeah, that pollock first drop again. They're all similar size, like 3 to 5 pounds. So much fun though, they literally tear the line off. Sam's getting hits there. Every time. It was our last night, and what a day it's been. What a weekend it's been. The fishing is unreal. A shout out to Oban for putting us on the fish, and a shout out to James for putting us on the fish Friday. It's been such a good weekend. I'd recommend it for anyone to come down to Cornwall. Like I say, we got into a lot of good fish. The pollock here are unreal. I can't explain it, but yeah, I hope you enjoy the footage, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, alright.
I ain't gotta worry on my mind. No,